Hello guys, yeah, this is Eliezer the First. Okay, so I received this from one of my friends, my classmate, who was asking that I solve this for him. Negative 3 log x plus 2 is equal to negative open bracket log x to the power 2y. Okay, that's the question. So this question, trying to arrange it in order, the best way is trying to get the two logs together, and try to see if there's any principle or any principle of log that will apply when I bring them together. So let me try to get this log and bring, I'll bring, okay, whichever. Let me bring this one. Try to bring this log this side. If I bring it this side, it will be positive, so it will be just log x is 2 to the power 2. This one will be negative 3 log x. So yeah, is still is equal to, if I bring this one this side, it will be negative 2. Okay, looking at these two logs already, there's no principle that I can apply there. Remember the principles of logs, or those that are small log things for logs. They say that when you have a log like this, log x and or maybe minus log ai, these ones have the same base. Mostly when there's no base, meaning it's base 10. So this is can be written as log one log x over ai, yeah, whereby if they were multiplying log x plus log a is the same as log x ai, log x a. Yeah, and the other principles, if we had something like log x to the power 3 is the same thing that we have here, where we have 3 here and then log x. Okay, at least we have this here, we have that here. What else do we have? Can we have? Okay, for now let's stick to these. They're not there. And again, seeing the pattern properly, I'm seeing that if I arrange it in another way of saying that log x to the power 2 minus 3 log x, and then I bring this 2 here, which will be plus 2 is equal to 0. This looks like a quadratic equation. As you can see it looks like a quadratic equation. Okay, since it looks like a quadratic equation, what can I do? It looks like a quadratic equation, so let me try to say let log x, since here we have log x and we have log x, let log x is equal to, let me put any letter. I'll put what letter can I put? Okay, let me put u. Okay, I put u. So I'll repeat by saying that u to the power 2 minus 3u plus 2 should give me 0. That's a quadratic equation which I can solve. So my sum is equal to negative 3. My product is equal to 2 times 1 here, which is just 2, meaning my two factors. What are my two factors? So here we have negative 3 and then negative 2. Negative 3 and 2. So the number can only be, I'm thinking of 2 and 1. 2 and 1, which are both negatives, because negative 3 times negative 2, negative 2 times negative 1 to give us 2. And then when you add these two guys, since they're the same, they have the same power, same signs, they're going to add and maintain the sign which is 3. Okay, so this one will lead us to the answer, which will be u minus 1 and u minus 2, which is equal to 0. And then our last answer is going to be u is equal to positive 1 or u is equal to positive 2. We have this. And then knowing that our u is equal to log so knowing that we know that u is equal to log I, log x. So I can now repeat log x. So I can say log x is equal to what? Our log x is equal to what? Is equal to 1. Again, our log x is equal to 2. Okay, so since our log x is equal to 1 and our log x is equal to 2i, so knowing that since it's just log xi, meaning these guys have a basis. So when a log has no number down I, has no base I, meaning the base is 10, we take the base to be 10. Okay, please don't forget that. So from here we can say that this is written as 10 to the power 1 is equal to x. 10 to the power 1 is equal to x, meaning is equal to what? We can just say 10 is equal to 10. 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. We're done with this. Oh, in short, x is equal to 10, sorry. Yeah, 10 to the power 1 is equal to x, meaning 10 is equal to 10, or x is equal to 10i. Yeah, x is equal to 10, sorry. And then this side, we have 10 to the power 2 is equal to x, meaning our x is equal to what? 10 to the power 2 is 100. So, 10 to the power 2 is 100. So, these are our two answers, Our answer x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 100. Okay, so this is log, and those are the principles we've discussed. Some of them The other principles which have remained is that log 1, I think log 1 is equal to 1i. No, log 1 to base a is equal to, I think that should be what number can you raise to a power to give us 1, meaning 0 is equal to 0. Yeah, that is 0. Log 1 is 0, and then I think log 0 doesn't exist, by the way. Log 0 cannot exist because what number can you raise to the power 0? The answer can be 0, can be, yeah. So yeah, let's just stick to those kind of rules that we have there, and that's our answer for that